little chanting in your own way, in your own tone. Try to maintain that discipline, because these early hours of the day is most precious thing. If an hour you lose in the morning, it is like having lost the whole day. It is so precious. Life goes off. Drive away all thoughts, all things. Be yourself. No past, no future, no present. Present also drop off. You are Kevala, only you and God in the presence. Joyfully, like a small child, open your heart and freely sing. This is going to last. All things what you are attending to with great interest will not be there tomorrow. How much attention we paid to our school days, college days, exams. Even now it bothers in dream. Gone to exam, chemistry we are prepared and a mathematics paper is given. How much we paid attention. Where is it today? Just for that certificate which is going to give us fruit, some food and clothing. Even otherwise, we would have got it. How many did not go to school and flourishing in this world more better than us? All this will never go. I saw the old sadhus at the tower when in the 80s, when Swami was there in hospitalized in Bengal, and I went to see him. It is evening. He's struggling. He's telling, "Oh, take me first to the prayer hall. It is time for the shrine is going to open now. At 4 o'clock it opens. Whole life you are standing there at 4 o'clock waiting for the shrine to open." And he is that how that deep it enters God and His services, my part in life. You need not do much sadhana. Just to do your duties, offer it as a worship unto God. And then morning and evening, just go on doing small worship, mental worship. Whatever your Guru has instructed you, and some prayer for the welfare of the world. We have to accept whatever path we tread. A power is there which is governing all lives and the whole universe. How perfectly, orderly the whole world is moving. Can't we know there is some power which is governing everything? That understanding, whoever it is, in whatever form, whatever way, call it Nirguna Nirakara or Saguna Sakara or anything, doesn't matter. Call by any name, there is a power which consciously manages the whole universe and all lives of being. Feel that and pray for the welfare of this world. Love this world really and serve wherever you can. To the extent possible, don't thrust yourself into activities unnecessarily, but do what all your duty with love and be that disciplined life. And this much sadhana will do. You safely, before the end of your life, you will see joyful days. The body is crumbling down and there is horizon. The doors are opening to perfection. You will see the face of your beloved God coming and calling you, yes, I am here, my child. So that opening will be there. You need not see, just in monasteries I tell, just to do your duties of life. Don't miss the discipline any time. You will safely reach. Similarly for householders, do all your duties. Morning, small, half an hour or 1 hour. Evening, out of 24 hours, spend about 1.5 hours in exclusively thought of God. If any amount, if nothing is possible, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, morning and evening, exclude all things, drop away. You and God alone. 15 minutes will do the rest of the life. You are sure to reach the goal and fulfill all the needs of your life. So that's an important thing you have to do. And safely you will reach. It must be a joyful journey, you see.